Welcome back, fellow car lovers. Today, we are comparing two of the most exciting electric three-row SUV on the market, the all-new 2027 Toyota Highlander EV and the futuristic 2026 Kia EV9. One of these SUVs is Toyota finally bringing the Highlander into the EV era, while the other already became one of the most advanced family EV on sale today. Both vehicles offer strong performance, advanced technology, 3 rows of seating, and premium interiors. But while they seem similar on paper, they actually focus on different types of buyers. Today, we are comparing the prices, horsepower, range, features, pros, cons, and overall value of these two electric SUVs to help you decide which one deserves your money. So before we continue, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. The 2027 Toyota Highlander is now fully electric for the first time ever. The base XLE front-wheel drive model produces 221 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive version increases output to 338 horsepower, with up to 320 miles of range, depending on the battery setup. Pricing is expected to start around $54,000 and reach around $60,000 for higher trims. The 2026 Kia EV9 already established itself as one of the most futuristic SUVs on the road. Depending on the trim, the EV9 produces between 201 and 379 horsepower, with the GT line trim delivering very quick acceleration and strong all-wheel drive performance. Range varies between about 230 and 305 miles, depending on configuration. Pricing starts around $55,000 and can exceed $70,000 for fully loaded trims. First, the Highlander offers better estimated maximum range at up to 320 miles, which is slightly higher than the EV9's best setup. Second, Toyota gives more premium features standard on lower trims, including heated front seats, heated steering wheel, dual wireless chargers, and a massive 14-inch touchscreen even on the XLE trim. Third, Toyota's reputation for reliability and resale value is still much stronger than Kia's, which may matter for long-term ownership. And finally, the Highlander has a cleaner and more traditional design that some buyers may prefer over the EV9's very bold styling. However, the Highlander also has some weaknesses. First, the EV9 charges faster thanks to its advanced 800-volt architecture, making road trips and charging stops quicker and more convenient. Second, the EV9 offers more luxury-focused features like lounge seating, available captain chairs, and a more futuristic cabin design. Third, the Highlander only comes in XLE and limited trims, while the EV9 offers far more trim choices and customization options. And finally, some buyers may think the Highlander still looks too conservative compared to the EV9's futuristic appearance. The EV9's biggest advantage is definitely technology and interior experience. First, the EV9 offers ultra-fast charging speeds that are noticeably quicker than the Highlander's charging system. Second, the EV9 interior feels more futuristic and luxurious with ambient lighting, lounge seating, premium materials, and panoramic displays. Third, the EV9 GT line produces up to 379 horsepower, which is more powerful than the Highlander's 338 horsepower all-wheel drive setup. And finally, Kia offers more trim levels and flexibility, ranging from value-focused trims to fully loaded luxury-style versions. Now let's talk about the EV9's downsides. First, fully loaded EV9 trims become extremely expensive and can easily exceed $70,000, much higher than the Highlander. Second, lower EV9 trims actually have less range than the Highlander, especially the base light trim, with around 230 miles. Third, Toyota still has the stronger reputation for long-term reliability and resale value. And finally, some buyers may think the EV9's futuristic styling could age faster over time. At the end of the day, both of these SUVs are excellent electric family vehicles, but they focus on different priorities. The 2027 Toyota Highlander EV feels like the smarter long-term family choice with better range, stronger resale value, more standard comfort features, and Toyota reliability. Meanwhile, the 2026 Kia EV9 feels more futuristic, more luxurious, and more exciting thanks to its ultra-fast charging, powerful GT line trim, and advanced interior technology. So which one would you choose, the futuristic EV9 or the all-new electric Highlander? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss future SUV reviews and comparisons.